Guys, welcome back to another video. We're at Missouri again, and look, the signals are red and the train lights here. It's coming. The train's already coming right when we hear. Oh man. Yep, the same log I stand on. Guys, my radio fan spot.
What do you think the voice gonna be? The signals are literally red.
K5 is yellow, I think, or yellow scheme. Guys, the train lights all the way over there, and the signals are literally red. We literally came right on time. Oh. Oh, what? Oh. So. What? Chuck? Oh. The train light.
It used to be a red shirt.
Guys, look. The train light's all the way over there.
It is a BNSF. Yeah, it's a BNSF. Oh wait, Eli, we don't know yet. So?
My hands are not even freezing because it's the perfect weather outside.
If it's switching, that could mean that there's another train. I think it's just something. Never mind.
Here it comes, guys. Guys, it's another K5.
Let's hope it's a later one. I don't know. Could it be an oil taker or could it be a hot one?
I don't know. I think it's hoppers.
Oh, it's not an hopper truck. I don't know. We're not for real. We're not for sure. We don't know.
It's coming.
I think it is a hopper truck. You can record a rail pass and turn around. Oh no. Let's see the switches. Is it gonna switch? It does not look like it's
Come on, train.
switching on. Oh, I think it is switched. Oh, never mind.
Here it comes.
3, 2, 1. Please turn on for wheel this time. Please and
Turn on. Crossings, turn on.
railroad.
The train's letting me up close crossings.
2, 1. Turn on.
D2, 1, go.
Oh, come on. Who's gonna wave? I'm gonna wave.
Here comes the train. Don't mind my camera shaking, I'm saying hello to it. Horn salute. Uh,
Wait, that's the cleaning truck. That could be the cleaning truck.
the cleaning truck's coming.
I don't know. The signals are staying on. Unless they turn off. There's a cleaning truck.
A cleaning truck is coming, guys. Don't mind if I record it.
See if it honks.
Oh. Guys, a cleaning truck is coming, so see it when it comes.